In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on Webex. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you're already inside a meeting. This is important because the option to add people appears from within the active meeting window. Once you're in the meeting, take a quick look at the meeting controls, usually located along the bottom or side of the screen depending on your device and layout. Next, click on the participants icon. This is the button that typically looks like a person or a group silhouette. When you select it, a participant panel should open, showing everyone who is currently in the meeting. This is the area where you can manage who's attending and access the option to bring in additional people. From there, click on Invite. This will open the invite field or invite window where you can search for the person you want to add. In the search box, type in the person's name or email address. As you type, Webex may show matching contacts or suggestions, which can help you quickly find the right person. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct contact before moving on, especially if there are similar names listed. Once the correct name or email appears, click Invite. Webex will then send the invitation, and that person will be able to join the meeting from their end. If they don't appear right away, that's completely normal, since they may need a moment to receive the invite and enter the meeting. And that's all it takes to add people on Webex during a meeting. If you're following along, just repeat the same process for anyone else you'd like to invite.